Hello again from Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. The other day I was teaching the present continuous and one of my students said, "Uncle Geoff, what are those words you're using? In progress, temporary, start and finish. What do they all mean? Can you explain it a little bit more?" Yes, I can. Today we are on the beach and Uncle Geoff is walking on the sand. I started a few minutes ago. I'll finish when it's time for a cup of tea. So at the moment, at the time of speaking, I am walking on the sand. And very nice it is too. Oh. And even better, I am paddling in the ocean. The water is a little bit cold, but it's lovely. Paddling in the ocean is beautiful. There are people walking their dogs. So all of these things are happening at the time of speaking. They started just before now, they'll finish sometime after now, so they are all in progress. They have a start and a finish, a beginning and an end. It doesn't go on for 24 hours a day. We can't walk on the beach every minute of every day of the year. We need to sleep. We need to go to the toilet. We need to have a breakfast, lunch and dinner. But at the moment, at the time of speaking, we are walking on the beach. The sun is shining. People are enjoying the nice weather. They are swimming in the sea. They are paddling in the ocean and they are sunbathing. Present continuous, an action in progress at the time of speaking. It's temporary, it has a beginning and an end. English grammar, the present continuous, it's easy peasy. Thank you for watching. We'll do some more tenses another day. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye for now.